Hello everyone and welcome back to Joys of Flies. If you're new here, my name's Kirsty and I deal with the sewing side of this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to take in a pair of jeans at the waist. This is such a great alteration to know how to do. It's not too fiddly and you can do it on any pair of jeans. In this tutorial I'm going to be altering a men's pair of jeans, but you can do the exact same method on a pair of women's jeans and it gives perfect results. So for this tutorial all you're going to need is your general sewing equipment. So that's everything like your measuring tape, scissors, sewing machine, everything of that sort. I would also suggest that you have the right size sewing machine needles and the right type of sewing machine needles. Because we're using jean and we're going to be going through quite a few layers of jean, your sewing machine and a normal size needle will struggle going through such thick fabric. So just check up online what size sewing machine needle you should be using and things like that, and make sure you have the correct one, and it will make sewing the jeans so much easier. So before we get sewing the jeans, you're just going to need to know how much you're actually taking in. So just pop the jeans on yourself, or if they're for someone else, get them to try it on, and then you're just going to want to pinch in the excess fabric. I would suggest pinching it at the back, it's just easiest to do there. Plop a pin or a safety pin in there, and then once the jeans are off, just measure how much needs to be taken in. We're going to be taking in the jeans at the back by creating 2 darts. So let's work out how much you're going to need to take in on each dart before we get sewing. So take the amount of fabric you need to take in and half it. That's going to be the size for each dart. But then when we get to drawing the dart, you're going to need to half that number again. So for example, say I had 2 inches, I've then halved it to make 1 inch, half it again to make half an inch. And then when we get drawing the dart, when I say the final measurement you had, I'm talking about that measurement. So for me, that will be half an inch. So now let's get going with the jeans. The first thing you're going to want to do is, if you have any labels or anything on the back of your jeans, you're just going to want to take it off with your stitch ripper. And now you're going to want to remove the waistband and any belt loops along the back of your trousers. Now we're going to draw the darts from the inside of your trousers. So from the centre seam at the back of your trousers, you're going to want to measure an equal distance on each side of it. So for example, on either side of that back seam, I'm going to be measuring 2.5 inches. And now from those marks, you're going to want to draw a vertical line for the centre of your dart. If, like me, you have this extra seam going across the back of your trousers, then you can stop there like I am. But if you don't have that, you can choose what length you would like your dart to be. Now at the top of that vertical line, you're going to want to make a mark on either side of it, a mark of that final measurement we made at the beginning. And then you're going to want to connect those marks with the bottom of your vertical line to create a triangle. And you can do this on both marks on either side of that centre seam. And now all you're going to want to do is fold both of the darts in half right sides together and pin them in place. It's really great to use that vertical line in the centre of each dart to help you to make sure you folded it equally. And then you're just going to want to sew all of the way down your dart. So now we've taken in the trousers, you're now going to have to take out the excess fabric from your waistband. Now if you're like me and you have another row of stitching across the top of your waistband, you're just going to want to unstitch it. And then find the centre of your waistband and put a marker in it. Open it up and then you're going to want to fold it in half at that centre mark. And then I just like to put a couple of pins in it to make sure it stays in place. And then from that fold, you're going to want to measure half of your original measurement that you had to take your trousers in. So not the final measurement that we got for the darts, but the measurement you had to take in of the trousers by half. And then at that measurement, just draw a straight line all of the way down your waistband. And then just sew down that line. Once it's sewn, trim down the excess fabric, and then you're just going to want to refold your waistband and pin it back to the rest of your trousers so it's just like it was before, making sure you can't see any raw edges. Then you can sew back over your waistband, filling in any of the gaps that we seam ripped from before. And then the last thing to do is sew back anything like the belt loops or any labels that we took off at the very beginning. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer you. And with that, I will see you next time on the channel.